Want to learn how to make the ultimate comfort food? The top chicken rice, the best Portuguese way. It's easy, flavorful, and perfect for family dinners. Let's make it together. Stay till the end to get the best tips to make it even better. Chicken rice. 6 pieces of chicken, 100 grams of chouriço, 2 small carrots, 100 grams of bacon, 2 ripe tomatoes diced, 1 leek, 2 onions, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, 500 grams of rice, 100 grams of cheese. In a large pot of boiling water, add salt, pepper, bay leaf, 1 onion halved, carrots, leek, tomatoes, chouriço, and bacon. Once it starts boiling, add the chicken pieces and simmer for about 1 hour until chicken is tender. Remove the cooked chicken and pull it apart. Strain the broth separately. You should have about 1.2 liters of liquid. In a separate pot, sauté the other chopped onion in a drizzle of olive oil. Then add the strained broth. Add the rice and cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes until partially cooked. Slice the chouriço into rounds and the bacon into thin strips. In a baking tray, spread half the rice, add the shredded chicken over it, and cover with remaining rice. Top with cheese, sliced chouriço, and bacon strips. Bake at 180 degrees until golden and slightly crispy on top. And there you have it. A classic Portuguese chicken rice that's as comforting as it is delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know in the comments what dish you would like me to make next. Faça e coma! Using a mix of vegetables and meats in the broth will infuse the rice with deep, complex flavors. Lightly browning the onion in olive oil before adding the broth adds a sweet and aromatic base to your rice. Finish under the grill for 2 to 3 minutes for extra crispiness on top.